This takes a lot longer than I thought.
Dan, can you give me that napkin?
Edge. Okay, Sam, got it. Go away. Go. Hurry. Okay, guys.
Come on, Bert. Go.
Brian in. Brian in.
Come on, Bert.
That's the biggest one too.
Do it.
You don't even have braces. You have no excuses.
Not done.
Gotta swallow.
Good. That's good.
Go. Come on, Joanne.
Oh my God, look at
Come on, Joanne. Go.
Go, just swallow. Come on.
Come on, I gotta go again. Swallow after. Come on, swallow after. Big bite. Big bite. The right side. Come on, go.
Okay, go.
Help the kid. He's got his wallet out.
Okay, let me just make sure you understand the rules. There's no uppercut.
So far, so good.
Give it all you got.
So good your ideas, Bonnet. One more, two more.
Oh!
I can hear that from over.
Nothing. I'm serious.
What
Who do you want to hit?
Husband!
I was in number 2. I was number 3.
He was number 3.
Then what number 3? Dude?
Number 2
You were
was...
number 3.
Right.
She gets to pick, dude.
I normally haven't taken
Hey,
A replay of our wedding night. You guys disappeared. Ready? If you miss, if she misses, that counts as 1, right?
Yeah, I think that...
Wait, if she misses, it counts as 1, right?
She needs to take a shot before she does that.
Hey, someone pause the step.
Ready?
Yes.